scene opens with a colorful jungle filled with candy trees, chocolate boulders, and soda rivers. Narrator. In the middle of the magical jelly bean jungle, the wildest race of the year is about to begin. The Great Jelly Bean Jungle Race. Racers are gathering. Tico the Tiger, fast and fearless. Pip the Penguin, a slippery speedster. Lulu the Lemur, the dancing bouncer. And Milo the Monkey, the underdog who always tries his best. Tico roars, "Let's see who's the fastest." Pip chuckles, "Banana shoes, don't fail me now." Milo whispers, "I just hope I don't trip." Bees! The race begins. The jungle explodes with energy. They dash past licorice trees, hop over marshmallow pits, and swing from candy canes. But soon, Tico gets tangled in taffy vines. Pip crashes into a cotton candy cloud. Lulu bounces too high and lands in fizzy soda. Milo, he's behind but steady. Instead of racing ahead, he helps his friends, untangling Tico, rescuing Pip, and guiding Lulu. The jungle animals cheer. He's not the fastest, but he's the kindest. At the finish line, Milo could win, but he stops. "Let's finish together," he says. And they do. A four-way tie. The crowd erupts in cheers. The Jelly Bean King waddles over. "You, Milo, are the heart of the jungle." He places a gummy crown on Milo's head. Milo smiles. Winning is sweet, but friendship is sweeter. Final scene. The friends sip jelly bean smoothies under a rainbow tree, giggling as the jungle glows at sunset. Narrator. From that day on, Milo was known not for speed, but for heart. And the Jelly Bean Jungle was never the same again. The end? Or is it?